When it comes to appliances, most homeowners spend a lot of time doing their homework. They research, cost compare, check out the aesthetics and efficiency. They want to love their new appliance and know that they've made a great buying decision. When it comes to water heaters, this is the one that professionals love and trust: Bradford White. That's because a Bradford White water heater is no ordinary appliance. It has the quality and premium components that professionals demand for their homeowners, without the premium price. It starts from the inside out. Believe it or not, the water inside your tank can eat through steel in a short time. That's why all Bradford White water heaters are lined with Vitraglass. Vitraglass gives unsurpassed protection when compared to other water heater linings. That means longer life for your water heater. Another feature that makes your water heater last longer is the Hydrojet Total Performance System. It reduces sediment, which improves efficiency and gives you more hot water for the money. Not all gas controls are created equal. Bradford White's Icon system is exclusive technology for advanced temperature control. Imagine an easy and convenient way to adjust your water heater temperature whenever you want to. And to further protect you and your family, the Defender safety system for gas-fired water heaters resists the ignition of vapors from flammable materials that may be stored too close to your water heater. If a spill of these materials occurs, the system safely shuts down the water heater. Bradford White is made in America by craftspeople who conduct over 25 extensive quality checks to ensure superior performance, long life, and safety. That means you get a quality product, professionally installed, and with a 6-year warranty and an option for a 10-year warranty upgrade. It is quite simply built to be the best. No wonder plumbing professionals love to install Bradford White. And you will love the quality, reliability, and years of trouble-free service. Not to mention lots of hot showers.